everyone. Donna Bush here with your CIG television news brief on this Wednesday evening.
Sharing your ideas and not thinking too much about, well, will someone do this or so. Just make it.
Recently, the public libraries offered a series of workshops titled Unlock E-Commerce Opportunities with Social Media. The Make Money with Social Media series of e-commerce training sessions were designed to empower the public to discover the financial potential of social media platforms. Now, the 2-hour sessions took place at the West Bay and Northside libraries. Library officials said in today's tech-driven world, they hope the workshops will help those who wish to earn additional income by leveraging their social media accounts. Now, the public libraries are offering other sessions, and of course, we'll tell you more about those on Newsbrief this coming Thursday. Well, the last general meeting for the National Conservation Council for this year was held today, December 6th, and the live meeting was open to the public. The lengthy agenda addressed topics such as fish pot to pot limits, Cayman Brack's request to the NCC for a conservation agreement, and the renewal of old spear gun licenses, just to name a few. Well, the next meeting will be held on the 27th of March next year. And for those who are interested, you can watch the entire meeting on the DOE Cayman Facebook page, as well as the Cayman Islands DOE YouTube channel. Finally, the Department of Vehicle and Driver's Licensing has announced that the temporary service interruption for hot plate machine maintenance is currently happening. The Department of Vehicle and Driver's Licensing is wishing to inform the public about the temporary service interruption regarding, again, this hot plate machinery due to technical issues. The hot plate machine is currently inoperable and cannot process new license plates, but DVDL is actively working with its overseas suppliers to expedite the replacement part required to restore the hot plate machine to full functionality. Now, during this period, they would like to reassure their valued customers that there will be no service interruptions with regard to any vehicle licensing. The director of DVDL will issue temporary plates to ensure that vehicle licensing processes continue seamlessly, and these temporary plates will be valid for some 6 months from the date of issue, allowing customers to maintain their compliance with the law. Now, the public will be notified as soon as the hot plate machine is fully operational again. Now let's take a look at our forecast for this Wednesday evening. Expect partly cloudy skies with a 30% chance of showers. For you boaters out there, seas will be moderate with wave heights of 3 to 5 feet. The 2-day outlook is for cloudy skies along with fresh winds and rough seas, especially along the north and east coast of the Cayman Islands for the next 3 days as the front drifts east and gradually weakens. Small craft operators should exercise caution over the open seas. A reminder to get the latest on local weather conditions, you can go online to weather.gov.ky or check out the Cayman Islands National Weather Services Facebook page for more details. And that ends today's news brief here on CIG Television. For our YouTube viewers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for all of your local key government updates. I'm Donna Bush, wishing you a safe and wonderful night and inviting you back here again tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye for now.
The Esterly-Tibbetts Highway 3-lane roundabout is ready for drivers. It's time to make sure you know how to use it. First, know which exit you need to take. Pay attention to lane arrows and signs. Make sure you use your signal to change lanes or exit the roundabout. To turn left, you always approach in the left-hand lane and indicate left. To drive straight ahead, you need to be looking out for signs and road markings indicating which lane to use. Get in one of the lanes marked with a straight-through arrow. If turning right, you must use the right-hand lane and indicate accordingly. To use the roundabout safely, remember these 3 tips. Know your exit, pick your lane, and signal to make your turn.